So this just started literally just a few minutes ago. Come out here at night just to show how big the flames are, but took place right over there. We'll see what's going on. They'll probably start getting reports of it, and they might just let it burn out too. Oh well, maybe next year I'll have my fun. It's already out of our fire district anyway though, but yeah, you can see the flames. Sort of, not really in here, but I can see them. It's hard to, I'm going to come out here at night, but I just don't want to be getting struck by lightning. So there's part one of the fire. Fuck this, I'm going in. Holy shit, that was close enough.